Hey guys, in this video I will show you some amazing Android Auto tips and tricks you should try in 2025. Number 1, wireless Android Auto connection. For this we have to go to our settings, and here we have to tap on connected devices, and here in the below we can see Android Auto. I will tap on Android Auto. Now I have to tap on connect vehicle. You do not need cables anymore, just enable wireless projection and connect your car automatically. In these steps we will see second tips. Customize dashboard. To customize dashboard, again we have to go to our phone settings and tap on connected device, tap on Android Auto and find out customize launcher. I will tap on customize launcher. We can see launcher sorting. I will tap on it and you can sort the launcher A to Z or custom order. Now we can customize it by drag and drop. Map and number 2 phone, and you can customize anything from here. To this customize answer to arrange your favorites apps like Maps, Spotify and calls, and it is perfect for easy access. That's a great feature for Android Autos. Number 3, a smart reply for messages. Android Auto now gives a smart replies for messages. One tap and you can reply without touching your phone. You can see, and is a great feature of Android Autos, and you can manage replies by a smart replies, and is a great feature of Android Auto. Number 4, dark mode. Turn on dark mode for safer night driving and less eye strain. To enable it, you have to go to settings and tap on connected device, tap on Android Auto, and in this Android Auto page you will find the appearance, and you can select night, and you can also enable dark mode, and you can use it in dark mode, and it will best option for driving when you're driving, and is a great feature of Android Autos. In these steps we will see another tips. Number 5, split screen layout. Android Auto has a great feature to split screen layout. The new split screen layout lets you use maps and music together. This is perfect for multitasking while driving, keeping navigation and your playlist visible at the same time, and is a great feature of multi-screen layout of Android Autos, and is a great feature. Number 6, offline maps, and you can navigate maps in offline mode without internet. Download offline maps so you can navigate even without internet. For this you have to go to profile icon and you can see offline maps. I will tap on offline maps and select your own map. I will tap on it and here you can select your desired maps, and after selecting your maps tap on download. Got it? Update, and you can see the downloading the maps and you can use it without internet, and is a great features of Android Autos. That was a feature of Android Auto. Which Android Auto trick did you like most? Comment below and do not forget to subscribe for more Android tech tips. So viewers, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Thank you.